Hi 5th grade, and welcome to our screencast on decimal word problems. Make sure that you have the title and your name, the date, and subject. Our objective is I can solve multiplication of decimal word problems using either strategy. So for this, you will be able to pick between the matrix or a standard algorithm. Remember, our rule from multiplying decimals is to start out by ignoring the decimal. Example A. Ramiro bought 3 pizzas to share with his table. Each pizza was $5.75. He also bought a salad for $6.50. How much did Ramiro pay? Okay, well, I'm going to start this problem out by figuring out what I need to multiply. There's 3 pizzas, and they were $5.75 each. Then I'm going to have to add that to the total cost of the salad. So I'm going to start with $5.75, I'm ignoring the decimal, times 3. And I'll use a standard algorithm here. 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. Carry that 2. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17. Now I'm going to go back in 1, 2 places. 1, 2. So just for the pizzas, he paid $17.25. But he also bought the salad, so I need to add $17.25 to $6.50. And remember, when we're adding decimals, they need to be completely lined up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Bring the decimal straight down. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2. So Ramiro paid $23.75. Example B. Ariadna's flower garden has dimensions of 4.5 feet by 7.2 feet. Or if I were to read that with decimal language, we would say 4 and 5/10 by 7 and 2/10. Will she be able to plant 30 square feet of flowers? Well, I'm picturing her garden to be like this. 4.5 feet by 7.2 feet, like this. And so for this problem, I'm going to use the matrix, and I'm going to take out my decimals. So this becomes 45 and 72. It's a 2 by 2 problem. 7 times 4 is 28, and I have 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2. 7 times 5 is 35, and I have 1 0. 2 times 4 is 8, 1 0. 2 times 5 is 10. And I'm going to come over here to add. The step that I'm seeing during big board math that we're missing when we're using the matrix is adding in these zeros. So make sure that you are going back and saying how many zeros do I have when I'm multiplying. I'm going to add over here 9, 14, carry the 1, 11, 12, and 3. So 3,240, but I need to go back in 1, 2 decimal places. 1, 2. So her garden has an area of 32 and 40 square feet. Will she be able to plant 30 square feet of flowers? Yes, because the 32 square feet will be bigger. So after she plants that, she'll actually have a little bit of space left over. Okay. For your guided practice, work with a partner and make sure that you're checking your work. There are 2 problems, C and D. Emily built a birdhouse with the dimensions of 11 and 5/10 inches by 4 and 5/10 inches. What is the area of the base of her house? And for D, Angel bought 5 packs of Pokemon cards for $8.20 each. Carlos bought 3 packs of Pokemon cards for $1.50 each. How much did they spend together? So remember that these problems might have more than one step. Remember to circle, underline any important information, and figure out if you're multiplying decimals, what are these steps that you need to remember. Go ahead and pause this. When you're ready for your guided practice, you can come back to it. Here are the solutions to your guided practice. And your independent practice is on your own on a separate page. Make sure it goes on the standing table. When you are done, you have E and F. Thanks for an awesome screencast.